Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away to you.
Walk one again, Unstoppable family. So people, you know, in a dancehall and reggae music, we have several legends. And when we say legends, we are talking about the entertainers who paved the way for the entertainers today. So I guess we can call them teachers. Yeah, because them lay the foundation and the artists them today learn from the foundation that was set. And one of the great legends we are talking about is none other than Beres Hammond himself. Beres Hammond himself is a great teacher in the music industry and a whole heap of today's artists have to look up to the great one, Beres Hammond. Now the reason why we are talking about Beres is because two other legends themselves was having a reasoning, a conversation, and Beres come up. And the two legends that we are talking about is none other than Singing Melody and Wayne Wonder. And them are talking about the legacy and the music and, you know, Beres Hammond slipping in the conversation. And even Wayne Wonder mentioned, say, yo, at one point, you know, Beres Hammond did kind of get him like nervous. You understand? For no say him in the presence of a great entertainer like Beres. So what we are going to do right now, peeps, we are going to jump in and we are going to take a listen. Me and Uno are going to listen to the conversation together. Alright, but before we even do that, make sure that if this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now and the notification bell. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Make we go take a listen now.
I check Father Beres one day, you know, sing in vehicle. I want the Beres remember this. I there penthouse, them time I have my little two-door Civics.
Yeah.
And I see it hot, you know. So Father Beres level, I think it was a 4Runner, so it a service somewhere up on what you call it? But somewhere up on Arco Street today. So himself for drop him. So me I drop him, go pick up him vehicle now. So me I tell him I get the chance for talk to him and say, yo, Father Beres, me have some nice ideas, some songs, you know. So I'm go like some up and put in my cassette and he might hear something. You know, the man look at me, come here tell him about I want him help me write some song. You know, Father Beres come here and say, Wayne. The man go like son dress back and go say, Wayne, listen me man. Just sing your song them like how you sing the sing over them. And that the man tell me, you know.
Yeah.
Just like that. See,
yeah, man.
The man give me a Beres Hammond hat. You can ask Frankie them, I wear the Beres Hammond hat. I say, I want to get some of that. Oh, Beres right there. So I start wear the Beres Hammond hat. For weeks, I wear the Beres Hammond hat. I say, boy, I want to get some of them.
Yeah.
Them knowledge. Oh, for really make the thing come out.
Well, of course, me and Beres should have a long-standing, what we call it now. I don't know if it's a feud. No, it's not a feud. Actually, what have happened with me and Beres, because him give me my talk to you, know, Wayne. Him give me my talk to you, know. Because, you know, once you go check Beres, he have to sit down with you and give that something that make you know how really is and motivate you to the point where you can say yes. Because Beres was always a person who was always inspired by younger people too as well, you know, because
for real.
Buju is not Beres is not a man that look at you and say, boy, well, once you're talented and you have a talent, he will tell you up front. And that's why Buju, them recording that they come in with Buju and all of them stuff there. It's not that Beres just get up and record with anybody. You understand? No, he's a man who believes in a talent. And if you're not talented, him now go and spend time and waste by you. So once you're talented, him will tell you. But you're right too.
One day yeah. Before my voice, before my record started there, my weakness Beres are right, Irish.
Right.
I mean, I never seen nobody do that like the man go like so, you know, and sing the harmonies them and the punchline first. So I say 24 track, you know, so you know, so you have to count the bars them.
Yes.
Sing him in hook, stack it up, and I like say you fly and cut and paste, you know, the man sing him hook them. So him count the bars them, sing him hook them, stack it up harmonies. So the harmonies and the hook set already. Come back around and stay like so. And yo, the man make it look so easy melody. The verse them just come out. I never see Beres have no paper go like so.
No, the man don't write songs. No literally pen nothing.
Paper go like so, brethren. But so when the man go around the brethren, and a couple days after now, my time for going for voice at the stage, a rookie record me. See? And me I sing Saturday and Father Beres come in and me get nervous and nigga sweat. See, because Father Beres walking.
Yeah, my Beres in the studio with you.
You just say, you
supposed to run that sweat under your pants, man.
And the man just step over to Rookie and that kind of bend over Rookie and press the top button and say, Wayne, That line that kind of flat, you know. That line that flat. Sing it back for me, you know. And him tell me which part. Like I say, the part where I say, try to erase all the
Yeah.
Somewhere in there, so the flat.
Yeah.
And him trying to talk to me. And he say, wait, the man say, calmly. Man say, Wayne. That's a try to erase. Kind of flat, you know. Sing it back there for me, Wayne. Just like that. So you know when they come in, I start know say, boom, man, I start getting me.
The man I listen to you.
I start getting me to me. I say, I hear it, oh, if you hear it now. I say, remember I couldn't sing background vocal. Remember I couldn't sing background. Winston Riley teach me to sing background.
Yes.
Vocal. And Trilla,
well, I didn't know that. Yeah, Trilla, you are the background king. When it comes to harmonies, are the king got that.
Yeah, man. And Trilla, you.
Guess what happened? Yeah. Even though we still have problem with him in the group, even right now. We rehearsed the festival song last week, and about 2 man walk way out of the rehearsal, because Chilla, you just vex, because even now you're the harmonic correct.
It's the sound, don't it?
Yeah, but he's an harmonic god.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I do backgrounds on most of my songs, but let me tell you, when it comes to Lost and harmonizing, Luki D, Chilla, you, I mean, we harmonize as well, you know, but when them do it.
Me and Trilla do The Girl Is Mine for Winston Riley.
Yeah.
And the man let me sing some note, but I never know someone could have sing.
Yeah,
you
man.
Trilla
is like that.
Say, no,
yeah.
man, don't sing. Sing the third, sing the fourth. And so you start learn some different thing, and Winston Riley a God pan it too.
Yes,
and
man.
say, and when you put the two of them and the three of them together, I say, yo.
Oh, yeah, man. Crawl skin business. Yeah, man. You know, how I've learned to sing harmonies really is to play with notes. First of all, you have a way of doing that too, and I hear it in most of your songs. What you do, you sit down and you find the sounds that actually complement your voice.
Yeah, man, definitely.
With each song. So when you put them together, them just create your sound that you want.
Yeah. And sometimes you're not for over singing too, you know. You have some you have some flow words,
yes.
Put on, it does effective. It's like you have like a tennis, just yourself, bam.
Yeah, man.
And just a flow upon it.
And everything does a flow.
Yeah,
and that's where
I touch it up, you know.
Anybody has ever told you that when you talk, you sing the song the same way like how you sing?
The speech level technique.
Yeah. Yeah, but then I line they cannot talk. And by the time a man look around and say, Wayne, are you that? Because if you hear the voice, and the same thing happen to me all the time. Man, I say, no man, I sing a melody that man.
Melody have that little high pitch there, that little frequency there, where you get water, you know? Here, alternately say something, you know. And this is no disrespect to no DJ out there. But just I tell you what Alton Ellis say. Alton Ellis said, when a singer sit down and create a song, to make you can be able to love it decades after, to mesmerize your spirit and keep you and make you feel loved and then them call up some man per stage and make pay nice and disrespect you and then no pay them and no pay me. And this Alton Ellis say no. And it really just come back to me a while ago when I tell you say when I listen to that song, Wayne, and me hear myself I sing that song. Just I sing it because this is just me, you know? Yeah.
You know, I don't know if I can do what you do, and that's why God is so great.
It's a different vibe because it's like we learn during the journey, we know the difference between love and rock, lovers rock, roots and culture.
There you go.
So there you go. There are three things that we learn. We know the lovers rock, we know the roots and culture, and we know the hardcore, and we know live dancer.
See there, right there, so. I think you and I had spoke about this some time ago. You were saying that, yeah man, get this and get that man. And he's like, remember you first, me see I travel with Sud up on the road. Portable. And I say, we know, portable. And you say, yeah man, you can get this and get that man. I'm going to get some things and I start with my portable team. I say, yo, me used to travel with it and every time I travel with it, I realize I don't get no work. So I say, yeah, man. Now I travel with it again.
To get the work, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and then now, since 9/11 coming in now and this whole playing and the technology thing and them have to stream everything you put through the machine, you have to go and show early when you have the big bag them to make them scan and see when we can't go up on the plane. Some of them get frustrated and I say, oh, stop trouble with the portable because it's too much things to trouble with. The computers, the interface, the this, the that, and the mics and so what if I wait?
Yeah, man.
Some of them decide say.
I go through TSA, man. I have to take out my mic, I have to take out my audio box and my inbox.
Yeah, but everything.
And my puff them all kind of wide. Them always pull me over things that me a terrorist. So I have so much wide in my back. And I pull me and give me extra screening and them thing there.
Yeah, man, me know.
Beer wire and beer.
Yeah, beer wire.
I have all different type of plugs for the world. Me have plug for England, me have plug for Europe, me have plug for Japan.
Yeah.
Adapter them. Now I say, wait, what is? You know?
Yeah, man.
I made up my maker or something, you know?
You know, I always say I love when time singing melody will a reason with them bridging them because them go down memory lane and them talk about the great things in a dancehall or reggae music. You understand? And who contribute to them career. And you don't know, I love to hear reasoning like that. It's always nice and refreshing. You see me? And Beres Hammond is a great contributor to the music. And him contribute to a whole heap of artists' career. Whether them even know it or not, Beres Hammond contributed a whole lot. Alright? What I want you to do for me right now is comment in the comment section and tell me what is your favorite Beres Hammond song. Yes, me know say him have a whole heap, you know. Yeah, and me know say the whole of Beres song them are hits, right? But I want you comment your favorite one. Just one, not all, just one. Alright, I'll make we know which one of Beres song you love the most. Alright? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and if this is your first time and you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will be notified. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.